Hey dude, Sky Ride Dude here. I'm with my usual morning thing. I'm a little late this morning. Usually I'm up here like 7, it's 8. Going down to check the lake. I hope he's still there since I left. Yep, he's still there. I'm going to try and zoom in. And it says I can't zoom in. So I'm going to walk very quietly up there. If you can see him right there in my video. It's I believe a gray, it's a blue heron. Up. And now he's getting ready to take off. I gotta go read the lake gauge, so he might take off on us. Up there he goes. Isn't he beautiful? He just flew off. I disturbed him. And there he goes, he's way over there now. Him flying. I disturbed him. I don't know where he's going. He's been up here, well, between these lakes, well, the last, I don't know, 5-6 years. And he's from Chatfield Reservoir. I know where they came from. And the blue, if I remember right, the blue herrings. And the lake level is up a little bit. You gotta see how far up it is, because it rained last night. And it's up to 2.6, 2.4, 2.42, 2.44. I mean, anyway, I just want to show you that one quick little video of that. My usual jaunt on. They pay me to come up every day and check the lake level. It rained last night, so it went up a little bit. And there was a bunny rabbit around here. He took off. Anyway, that's it for today. I just wanted to show you that quick little thing of that. I believe it's a blue herring. If I'm wrong, leave me a note and let me know for sure. But my usual weekend jaunt. I got locked the gate. I checked the flow into the lake. This is our ditch water. And it's up to about 2 inches. Like I said, y'all take it easy, like, subscribe to my channel, and all the good stuff. Talk to y'all later. Just running down to the lake. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Remember, always be nice out there.